Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. Tonight we're in Norway. On the menu is Raspeballer. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. The potatoes are boiling. Here they are, ready to be mashed. Here's the red potatoes shredded. Everything for the dumplings. And here's the dumplings all rolled together. The carrots and the Rutabaga are boiling. The smoked sausage and the dumplings are steaming. Here's the mash. And here's the dumplings. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.